Okay, so this is my wheel, and it's been a week since I've used it, and it just has some dried clay on it. So I'm about to start a class, and I need to get rid of the dust. So I'm not going to put water on it, and I'm just going to brush off the dust. And oh, so it's a little bit bumpy right here, and I have to be able to see these rings. So I could find like a wooden tool or a metal spatula. And then you scrape it off. And I need to see these rings. So you can either take that or like or a pencil or a metal tool, and make sure that you can see the rings. And then just brush it off. And then it's all ready for you to start your new clay, your new pot. Okay. And then you can just pour your clay out of your bag. Okay, great, and that's it.